How does AI-generated art challenge the concept of craftsmanship? Today's $100 Optimus Award goes to Brian Rock for this piece titled Elegant Confusion. AI-generated art challenges the concept of craftsmanship by redefining how art is created and perceived in the digital age. Today's image depicts an elaborately carved set of wooden gears displayed on a marble pedestal, perhaps demonstrating the precision of the craftsman's art. As Paul Cézanne once said, painting is damned difficult. You always think you've got it, but you haven't. AI art reimagines craftsmanship, blending precision with creativity to produce artworks that challenge and inspire. I'm William Ammerman, and I'm passionate about the future of artificial intelligence in the arts. I invite you to share your own AI artwork or nominate an AI artist you know and join our growing community at optimusawards.org.